Oh! Come here! Time to die!
The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Denver County until 12:45 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:30 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Wheat Ridge, moving southeast at 23 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and wind gusts. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impacts: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted by the storm include Denver and Glendale. Penny-size hail can also be expected with this storm. Seek shelter immediately. Move to the most interior room on the lowest part of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris.